Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here, and thanks for being patient. The clouds have moved by, the sun is back, and man, is it a nice afternoon and evening going here on this Tuesday. So that moisture, like we talked about, just kind of teased us as it went by on the far east side, and now we've got the sun working back in, and we will keep more sun than anything here for the rest of this afternoon, this evening, and then again tomorrow we really warm it up. Check this out now on Futurecast. Again, dry for a while here. Here's Tuesday night. We'll go into early Wednesday morning. There might be a few clouds here and there. We'll call it partly cloudy tonight. No big deal. Partly sunny tomorrow, but the winds start turning a little farther south. It's still dry air, so you see some of that rain trying to get here. It won't. Here's a look at your forecast. 52, partly cloudy and mild tonight. And then the highs on Wednesday, impressive. 75 in Pontiac, 78 in Detroit, and almost 80 in Adrian. 73 in Port Huron, 71 in Mount Clemens. Again, on the east side, a little bit cooler with the southeast wind taking some time to turn to the east, to the south, I should say. So